Are you looking for a profitable business opportunity in Africa? Starting a water factory might be the perfect venture for you. Today, we're diving into how you can set up a successful water factory in Africa with Accuapuro LTD and Mr. Jami Kakona. We'll cover the profitability of this business, the essential machinery you need, and effective marketing strategies to ensure your success. Look no further than the booming water industry. With a growing population and increasing demand for clean, potable water, starting a water factory in Africa is a highly profitable investment. At Accuapuro LTD with Mr. Jami Kakona, we are dedicated to providing top-quality water purification machinery and comprehensive support to our clients. Our state-of-the-art equipment is designed to meet the unique needs of the African market, ensuring efficient and reliable water production. Proven profitability. The water industry in Africa is experiencing rapid growth, making it a highly profitable investment. With Accuapuro LTD's support, you can capitalize on this thriving market. Visuals, infographics showing the water market demand in African countries, people buying bottled water, and statistics on water consumption. Narration, Africa's growing population and urbanization have created a massive demand for clean drinking water. Many areas face water scarcity, making bottled water an essential commodity. Starting a water factory can be highly profitable due to several key factors. High-quality machinery. Our water purification machines are built to the highest standards, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. We offer a wide range of equipment options to suit your specific needs and budget. Comprehensive support. From initial consultation to installation and ongoing maintenance, our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with the support you need to succeed. Turnkey solutions. We offer turnkey solutions, including plant design, equipment selection, installation, and training, making it easy for you to get your water factory up and running. Affordability. Our competitive pricing and flexible payment options make it easier than ever to invest in a water factory business. Accuapuro LTD and invest in Africa. Now are your one-stop solution for starting a water factory in Africa. We offer a wide range of water processing machinery, expert consultations, and support to help you set up a successful business, expert guidance. Explain how Accuapuro LTD can guide clients through every step of the process, from choosing the right location to installing machinery. Quality machinery. Introduce the types of machinery provided by Accuapuro LTD, highlighting their quality and efficiency. After-sales support. Mention the after-sales support services, including maintenance, training, and technical assistance. Now, let's talk about the essential machinery you'll need to set up your water factory. Accuapuro LTD provides state-of-the-art machines that are efficient, durable, and easy to operate. Water purification system, reverse osmosis, RO. Machine. Describe how this machine purifies water, removing impurities and contaminants. UV sterilizer. Explain its role in eliminating bacteria and viruses to ensure water safety. Water filling machine. Automatic filling machine. Discuss how this machine helps in efficiently filling water bottles of different sizes. Bottle rinser. Explain its function in cleaning bottles before they are filled. Bottle capping machine. Automatic capping machine. Describe how this machine ensures bottles are securely sealed. Labeling machine. Automatic labeling machine. Talk about the importance of professional labeling for branding and marketing purposes. Packaging machine. Shrink. Wrapping machine. Explain how this machine packages bottles efficiently for distribution. Quality control equipment. Water quality testing. Kits. Highlight the importance of quality control and testing to ensure the highest water standards. Storage tanks and conveyors. Mention the importance of storage tanks for storing purified water and conveyors for an efficient production line. Water source treatment. Depending on your water source, e.g., river, well, borehole, you may need equipment for pre-treatment, such as sand filters, carbon filters, or reverse osmosis systems. Water purification. The core of your water factory will be the purification system, which can include technologies like reverse osmosis, distillation, or ultraviolet UV sterilization. Water storage and distribution. To store and distribute your purified water, you'll need tanks, bottling machines, and labeling equipment. Setting up your water factory involves several crucial steps. Accuapuro LTD not only provides the machinery, but also offers comprehensive support throughout the setup process. Discuss how to choose a strategic location with good access to water sources and distribution networks. Talk about designing a functional layout that maximizes efficiency and production capacity. Explain how Accuapuro LTD helps with the installation of machinery and provides training to your staff. Highlight the importance of adhering to local regulations and obtaining necessary permits for water production and sale. Target market identification. Identify your target market, which may include households, businesses, schools, and healthcare facilities. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Distribution channels. Establish a robust distribution network, including supermarkets, convenience stores, and local retailers. Public relations. Build relationships with local media outlets to generate awareness and credibility. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential customers and promote your brand. Once your water factory is up and running, the next step is to effectively market your product. A solid marketing strategy is key to attracting customers and building a loyal customer base. Discuss the importance of creating a strong brand identity with a memorable name, logo, and packaging design. Explain how to establish distribution channels, including local retailers, supermarkets, and direct delivery services. Talk about setting a competitive price point that reflects quality while remaining affordable. Highlight the importance of local advertising through billboards, flyers, and local radio stations. Discuss using social media, websites, and online ads to reach a broader audience. Suggest offering promotions like discounts, free samples, or loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. Encourage participating in community events, sponsoring local initiatives, and promoting the health benefits of drinking clean water. As your water business grows, Accuapuro LTD is here to support you in scaling your operations. With the right strategy and equipment, you can expand production and reach new markets. Expanding production capacity. Discuss investing in additional machinery to increase output and meet growing demand. Distribution expansion. Talk about expanding your distribution network to new regions and even considering exporting. Diversifying product lines. Suggest introducing new products like flavored water, sparkling water, or larger water containers. Investing in technology. Emphasize the importance of staying updated with the latest technology to maintain efficiency and quality. Starting a water factory in Africa is a lucrative and impactful business opportunity. With Accuapuro LTD, you have a partner that provides high-quality machinery, expert support, and a pathway to success. From setup to marketing and scaling, we're here to help you every step of the way. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of our satisfied clients who started their water factories with Accuapuro LTD. They have successfully turned their investments into profitable and sustainable businesses. Starting a water factory requires an initial investment. Let's explore various financing options and investment opportunities available to help you start your business. Break down the costs involved in setting up a water factory, including machinery, facility setup, and operational expenses. Discuss different financing options such as bank loans, grants, and microfinance programs tailored for small and medium-sized businesses in Africa. Introduce the possibility of securing government subsidies or incentives for setting up a water factory that contributes to public health. Explain how potential entrepreneurs can attract investors or business partners by presenting a solid business plan and demonstrating the profitability of the water industry. Mention any financing or leasing options that Accuapuro LTD might offer to make it easier for clients to acquire the necessary machinery. Ensuring your water factory complies with local regulations and industry standards is crucial for a successful business. Let's go through the key legal and regulatory requirements. Discuss the necessary licenses and permits required to operate a water factory, including health and safety certifications. Emphasize the importance of adhering to national and international water quality standards. Discuss regular testing and quality assurance processes that need to be in place. Talk about the need for proper waste management and environmentally friendly practices in water production. Explain how Accuapuro LTD can guide clients through the regulatory process and ensure their factories meet all legal requirements. Starting a water factory in Africa is not just a business. It's a chance to make a difference in your community. With Accuapuro LTD by Mr. Jami Kakona, you're not just purchasing machinery. You're gaining a partner dedicated to your success. Don't wait. Take the first step towards building a profitable and impactful water factory today. Contact us from the number on your screen. Share,